everyone, it's me again, Japan Alborinaga, grade 5 Pantria. And in this video, we will do again the experiment about electromagnets. Because in the last video, we didn't get the best result. Take note of this, do's and don'ts of doing this experiment. First, we need to ask the supervision of your parents or guardians. Next, use heavy-duty batteries because in my last video, I used a cheaper battery. And lastly, for the best result, use a smaller paperclip. Don'ts. First, do not do this experiment alone. Next, don't put the solenoid to the battery for more than 1 minute because it will heat up. Before we start this experiment, we need to know what is electromagnet. Electromagnet is when electric current is passed through a coil of wire wrapped around a metal core. A very strong magnetic field is produced. This is called electromagnet. Let's prepare all the materials needed for this experiment. We need 3 heavy-duty batteries, 20 uncoated paper clips, an iron nail with coil of wire that has 15 turns and be sure it doesn't overlap, and an iron nail with coil of wire that has 30 turns and be sure it doesn't overlap. Come on! Let's test how many paper clips can the coil attract. Coil of wire, also called solenoid, with 15 turns and 1 dry cell battery. One, 2, 3, 4. It can only attract 4 with 1 dry cell batteries and coil of wire with 15 turns. Coil of wire, also called solenoid, with 15 turns and 2 dry cell batteries. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can only attract 5 with 15 coils of wire and 2 dry cell batteries. Coil of wire, also called solenoid, with 30 turns and 1 dry cell battery. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. It can only attract 6 with 1 dry cell battery and 30 coils of wire. Coil of wire, also called solenoid, with 30 turns and 2 dry cell batteries. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. It can only attract 7 with 30 coils and 2 dry cell batteries without an iron nail core. Without an iron nail core, it cannot attract any paper clips. Let's answer some questions in this activity. What happens to the electromagnet when the turns of the wire increased from 15 to 30 turns? Why? When 15 turns, it attracts 5 pins. When the turns increase to 30, the number of pins attract also increases. Number 2. What happens to the electromagnet when the batteries increase to 1 to 2 batteries? The one battery gets less pins. When we put 2 batteries, it gets more pins. The electric current gets stronger. What happens to the electromagnet when you remove the iron nail core? Why? When I remove the iron nail, it gets nothing because there is no metal to pass through it, so it cannot attract any pins. Conclusion: the more coils of wire adding turns, the more pins it attracts. The more battery the current passes through, the more pins it attracts because of adding more energy from the battery. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked my experiment and thanks for watching. Bye! Peace out.